Hey, what's up guys? This is the Sudio Nio. It's a brand new premium set of AirPods that are from the company called Sudio, which are a premium Swedish audio company. I've reviewed a few of their products in the past and I'm really excited to try this one out. This is quite comparable to the original AirPods that I have for my MacBook, and I've been looking for a replacement because my original AirPods, they're dying. They have about 1 hour battery life left. This is 20 hours of battery life. It's going to be sounding absolutely great because I'm really impressed with the Sudio audio quality. Let's go ahead, unbox this and give this a test, see if it's worth it.
I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, won't pick and roll, give and go.
There you go. You can immediately see this is a very similar design to the original Apple AirPods. There you go, take a look at that. Very compact. This can easily fit in any pocket. It's USB Type-C charging. You have yourself the connecting button there just at the bottom of the base. And let's go ahead and see what is in the accessories box. So there's a few things in here. You have the USB-C charging cable. You have a cleaning cloth as well. And you have yourself the user guide. Inside this little box, you have the silicone ear tips that you can connect to the headphones just to give them a more tighter fit, make them more comfortable for longer use. But you can go ahead, there's 3 different sizes here to connect it. Right, let's go ahead and look at the headphones a little bit closer up. There you go. You can see they actually have a silicone strap to the earpieces already, so you can change them. You've got the protection there at the bottom. Let me remove these so they can start charging. So you can actually see by default, once you've removed the bottom, they go into pairing mode. It's flashing between orange and white there. So I can now just connect this to my phone via Bluetooth. So let me go ahead and do that now. There you go, at the bottom, Sudio Nio. Select this and it's connected straight away. So you can see there's some light indicators on there. On the bottom of the earpieces, you can see it says left and right. So you can indicate which one is which. Now this is very easy to drop into place, like so. And they are quite solid. Snap it closed and it will start charging. Now this is IPX4 water resistant, so it should work fine when you're in the rain, and if you're using this in the gym, it will be sweat proof as well. You can see at the bottom there's a little LED indicator there to indicate that it's now charging, and this will also flash as well if it's low on battery. So let's go ahead and see how these sound. Okay, let's put them in. Very easy to take out. The wingtips make it super comfortable, but it also makes it tight so you can isolate the noise and keep the noise locked into your ears. So let's go ahead and play a song right now. Here we go.
Never act in, always act in. Back in 2010, we all sipping activists. Now these beats are taking damage like my kidneys is. Already got the crib, I think it's time to flood my wrist. But gets along the neck, I just iced out my chin.
Can I just say that the bass in this is so punchy compared to my Apple AirPods. It's probably around 5 times better than that. Immediately I saw the difference and I'm super impressed because I have a Sudio speaker. I've had the Sudio Et and the wireless headphones from them in the past, and they've all been absolutely great. I'm so impressed that this is going to be probably my replacement and I can get rid of my Apple AirPods. The last thing is, if you're at home and you've got family members around, or if you're out and about, or once you're back in the office, you don't want other people to be listening to your music. So I like to test out to see how loud the music comes out and leaks from your ears. Now this feels very tight, but it feels so comfortable as well. I'm going to play again, but I'm going to put the volume around 90%, and I want you guys to see if you can hear it through my lavalier microphone. This is at 100%. Right, so did you guys hear any noise leaks? The sound is so isolated. I had it at 100%, but for me, it's not even that loud that is going to hurt my ears. I can see myself using this for a very long period of time. And they're so secure inside my ears as well. I'm just trying to see if I was to go running with them, they don't fall out your ears. The wingtips, I would definitely recommend to keep them on. I wouldn't take them off because they can get a little bit dirty, but they're not too tight. And with Apple AirPods, the one thing is when you don't have those silicone wingtips, it's quite easy to knock off, especially when you just put on your jacket and it accidentally hits it. It can go flying off. There's so many people that have lost one side of the earpieces. This one will keep it so secure. I'm so happy with this. In just a comparison, these are the Sudio ones and these are my Apple AirPod ones. So you can see they're very similar in size. For me, this is the perfect replacement, and to be honest, these sound so much better than the Apple ones. Now in terms of the controls, you can actually touch the headphones and they can control various things. So a single tap will play and pause the music, a double tap will go to the next song or the previous song depending on the right or the left earpiece, and a triple tap can change the volume as well. Now this is compatible with iOS, with Android, with any type of laptop you have. I take a lot of meetings throughout the day, so this is going to be perfect to have these, especially with the very long battery life, and it's something I don't need to worry about charging for a full day's worth of work. In terms of the build quality, this is made of plastic, but if you do drop it from a height, it might crack, but I think it's durable enough to survive that. And then again, for the price point, it's absolutely fine. Now these are not noise cancelling, but you do get a very nice bass in there, and all the way from the treble to the mid-range, the audio quality is very well balanced and it's super clear. And it does give you a level of ambient noise background as well coming into the earpieces, just so you're aware of your environment. Overall, I'm super happy with this. I definitely recommend this if you guys want to check out and get some true wireless earbuds, which I think are going to sound great for whatever device that you have. Now this comes in at $79 on the Sudio website. Check the link down below, and also keep an eye out for any discount codes I'll put into the description to give you guys a bit of saving. Sudio are one of my favorite audio companies. I use their speakers when I'm training at my home gym. I've got their true wireless headphones from a wide variety of their ranges, and they're just a great company to work with. And that is an honest review from my side. If there's anything else you guys want to know, then drop a comment down below. If you like headphone reviews, I've got plenty of headphone reviews coming out in the near future. I know you're going to like them, so make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.